This is day 36, becoming a vegan. About how I make vegan egg roll, right here. Vegan egg roll. I will show you how to make the ingredient. And if you haven't seen my video, my previous video, I talk about why and how I become a vegan. And if you didn't see that video yet, check it out. And if you like what you see today, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to your right side, right there, right side. The reason I become vegan is my goal is to eliminate my medication and get into the healthy lifestyle, eating no meat for 36 days. So today I will show you how to make a vegan egg roll, not egg roll, a vegan roll, whatever you call it. I cannot call egg roll. There's no egg in here, no meat from it. Sometimes they make from pork and chicken breast or turkey breast, but mine is only the ingredient is simple. I had cabbage, I have clear noodle, rice noodle, that is glass noodle. This item nice and white. So I soak this in the water and then I stir fry this a little bit, blend it in together like that. In here I have cabbage, I have carrots, I have white noodle, that glass noodle, and I also have that onion, and I have taro. What else I have in there? Black pepper, salt, pepper, sugar, just bring the taste out. The ingredient: wheat flour, 48% water, coconut oil, salt, allergy advice for allergen, including cereal contain gluten. See ingredient in bowl. So nothing say that making from animal product on this wrap. This is how the wrap look like. Paper rice wrap. Cornstarch with water, just to seal it up, to seal that wrap up. I always start it in the corner. Gets too much. So wrap it up like that, nice and tight. Nice and round. Just take it a little bit, egg yolk to seal that. But cornstarch do the trick, look. Nice and round. This is, just wrap a little bit, turn this corner on, I don't know, you can see me. Just like that, spread it out on the elbow, nice and look at that. That's beautiful. I'm a professional. I already have some made, cooked already. The hot pot right here, I had the skillet nice and hot already. So here go the egg roll, nice and hot. Let it cook for a couple minutes. Egg roll, lettuce, carrot, taro, clear noodle, some onion, black pepper, and glass noodle. roll it half little. Make sure this one is inside line. Nice, look. Now put it into the cornstarch. You just need to brown it up. You don't have to grill it. Tastes good as frying. I'm using here. Huh? Nothing but vegetable in here. Yeah. Never try this? You can do it. Don't put no meat. Look. Oh, my baby wants some too. But today you don't want to go outside? Ring the doorbell. You ring the doorbell, you go outside? Huh? You want to go outside? Yes, you want to go outside. Yeah, nice and brown. Look at that. Hi. Say hi, Bailey. Handshake. Handshake, good. Yeah. This vegan egg roll. If you never tried before, look at that. Look, my baby wants some. Just like that. Look at that. Then wrap it up. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice and hot. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe button and also the notification bell. Make sure you turn that on every time I upload a new video. See how I do and why I do this. I do this for my health. Becoming a vegan, how I lose this body fat. Look, I still had this belly fat. And follow me how I will lose all this body fat and get fit. Today I skipped gym. I haven't go to gym like 3 days right now because of the holiday and kinda busy running around at home. Ask me how do I do it? Leave me the comment below and why I do it. What's the purpose? Why I skip from eating meat, eating everything on the table. I skip a step down all the way down to vegan. I skip vegetarian. I skip. There's a couple steps. I'm down to vegan. That anything that come from animal product, I don't touch. I don't eat eggs, I don't eat dairy. All ingredient, I read the ingredient. If anything made from fish, made from cheese, made from milk, that's a no-no for me. I want to see how cut I get. I will show you the before and after picture. If you haven't seen my previous video, talk about my Fitbit, how it saved my life. The title is Vegan Day 32. That was my very first video. Sorry for the delay. Learning how to make YouTube channel, how to do this thumbnail, put some letter on that thumbnail, the customer thumbnail on YouTube channel. It was kind of tough. I had to download a couple of apps to make thumbnail from Fonto, something like that, and the video editing. Leave me the comment below. I will definitely respond to you I would appreciate it if you leave some comment. Tell me how I do my video. Is my audio perfect or too low? Or I need a music in the background. My English, I need subtitle or something like that. Let me know in the comment below. And also a thumbs up. And am I pointing the right way where the subscribe button at? I think to your right side top, right side bottom. Just hit subscribe and turn on that ring button, that ring bell. It notify every video that I come up. New video. I try to make once a week. Download once every Sunday. And I see you next time. I see you next video. Alright? Peace.